What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little something different, not opening a box, but we have 17 random hobby packs. I just got back from the card shop, Finnegan Sports Cards in Albany. I picked up 17 just random baseball hobby packs, ranging from the newer stuff like Heritage Ginter, 2020 Chrome Ginter update, and also 2020 Series 2. Obviously look for some Robert rookies in those. Also got some 2020 Bowman. Look for some Dominguez autos or first Bowmans. 2020 Topps Chrome. And then some older stuff. 2013 draft picks. Bowman. Obviously looking for the Aaron Judge first Bowman, as well as you can see over here, I have one. Clint Frazier. First Bowman as well. 2012 Topps Series 2. This will have Mike Trout's second year in it. Hopefully we can pull that. That would be pretty cool. And this year's 2020 draft. So we're looking for the top draft picks in this class. Spencer Torkelson obviously would be a big one to pull. We'll start on the left and work our way over here. It's been a while since I've opened baseball, so this will be fun. Jesus Sanchez, Nova, Perdomo. We got a mini Xavier Edwards. Blank back. Johnson. This is the Heritage Minor League, so obviously you're looking for prospects, but usually Heritage is not my favorite. You're not guaranteed really any hits in any of the boxes. I do love Allen Ginter. Love the rip cards. I think they're pretty cool. I think it's a really cool product. I like the design as well. And I do think it's cool how you can get non-baseball athletes in them. I do think that's pretty cool. Hamels, Cruz. What is this? Codebreaker autograph cards. I'm assuming that's just like a little insert game or something. We'll take a look at that. I'm not too sure. It's the first time I've ever seen that. Corbin, K, A-Rod, Anderson, Dubon, Cepeda, Wade Boggs Mini. Not a Ginter back though. And insert Fielder. Now I am excited for these. I do love Chrome and Optic cards. I think the Ginter will look great in it. I haven't opened any of this yet. I did order a hobby box open on the channel. So when that comes, we'll open that. These are 4 cards per pack. I believe it's either 1 or 2 autos per box. I'm not sure. But these do look great. Mercado. Lou Gehrig Mini. This is really nice. Let's set that off to the side. Alright, so we got 3 packs of these. 2 left. We got a refractor coming up. Dobby Laureano. Refractor. Giancarlo Mini and a Gehrig full size. Nico Horner Mini. Oh, Wilson Contreras stock refractor. Alright, so nothing really to speak about yet. But there's a chance for some big ones coming up. This is 2020 Update Jumbo. And I believe with these, they put all the rookies and hits in the back, so we'll fly through these. All the base. And now they're upside down. Trout. Bellinger. Barrios, rookie debut. We'll set that aside. Rookie of the year. We're getting to the inserts. And if there's hits, they'll be back here. So Derek Holland, Rainbow, Garrett Richards, Jackie Robinson, insert, and Nick Madrigal. Now just the 2020 update, regular hobby. Tukey. Nothing in that. Now, 2020 Series 2. So this is the first appearance of Robert. He's a rookie. Carlos Carrasco, Haynes, Max Fried, Andy Diaz. There it is. Not bad. We will take that. That's what we are looking for out of this product. Obviously, an autograph would be great, but we are happy with that. Corners look okay. Not bad at all. All right, let's finish this off. Billy McKinney, Keuchel, Miguel Sano, Salvador Perez, Yu Chang, Martinez, Mathis, John Gomes, Josh Reddick. Is that his rookie? No. Jose Barrios. Lopez, is this a SP? 99. Nope. For some reason that looks like could be, but it is not anything special. So far, really just a Robert to speak of. I am excited about these packs, though. Those will be fun. Looks like we got some shiny in there. Will Myers, Jake Cave, Manny Margot, Tommy Canley, Mitch Keller, Robbie Ray, Rainbow, Josh James. This is the tops. It's a variation out of 99. You can feel the back is a little bit different. So we'll sleeve that up. Clint Frazier, McCann. All right, so now on to 2 packs of 2020 Bowman. Obviously looking for Jason Dominguez. That would be fantastic. Bobby Witt. Let's see. Trevor Story, Baez, Reynolds, Tanner Houck, Anthony Cabello. Yankee first Bowman. I'm a Yankee fan, so we're going to keep that. Estevan Florial. Brennan Davis. I believe his autos, this was the first, I want to say it was the first time he had autographs. Not too sure, but that card was going for quite a bit, just a base card for a while. Willie Calhoun. Kyle Lewis. Rookie of the Year insert. Daz Cameron, Jared Kelenic, Luis Robert, Chrome, Riley Green, Altuve, and a Robert rookie. So the difference is the paper has the rookie logo. The Chrome does not. All right, 2020 Topps Chrome. Obviously, again, Robert, Bo Bichette, Gavin Lux, Aquino. Let's see. Nelson Cruz, Christian Yelich. We got an insert die cut, Randy Johnson. Not numbered, and Tanaka. All right, now for the fun stuff. 2013 draft picks and prospects. Obviously looking for Aaron Judge's first Bowman in this. I don't think we got an auto, but still. Connor Green. Garrett Cole, future of the franchise. That's actually pretty cool. Jordan Barnes and Ivan Wilson. So, no Judge. I think we'll save the 2012 for last. We'll do the 2020 Bowman draft. This has a lot of base, I believe. Let's see. Ooh, we got some color. I think we do. All right, that's good. I haven't opened any of this, so a lot of these first-time guys, I don't know. I could pass something that's pretty good. Cabrera. Xavier Edwards. Trent Palmer. Kate Cavalli, Miguel Amaya. I think this is like an aqua, so I'll save that. Put it to the back. Sweeney, Logan Allen. All right, let's see what we got here. Don't know if it's an auto. Dodgers. It is not. Landon Knack out of 150. Well, we'll take some color at least. That's fine. Now, 2012 Series 2 tops. Looking for Trout second year. And I'm going to probably go through this kind of slow. We got a relic in here, it looks like. I wonder what that could be. All right. Cameron Maben. Craig. Justin Upton. Steven Strasburg. Happ. Tomlin. We got a rookie of Tyler Pasternacky. Colby Rasmus. Yu Darvish rookie. Not bad. Rod Barajas. Flip these over. It's a pretty thick card. I think it's a medallion. Gold. Josh Johnson. It is a medallion. Sandy Koufax, 1963 World Champions. It's cool. They're not worth that much. It is cool, though. So let's set that aside. Wow. I messed that up, but obviously we know now. So much for slow rolling it. That is cool. I'm happy with that. Trout second year. That is cool. I'll set that aside. I blew the surprise for myself. All right. Chris Young. Juan Uribe. Brandon Phillips. Markakis. Howie Kendrick. And Ryan Dempster. All right. So, not much to really go over, but we did pull this. This is not bad. Obviously, we are happy with that. Put that in the sleeve. second year. We got this Koufax. This was actually stuffed in there when I first pulled it, so the condition's probably not that good. That's pretty cool. Yu Darvish rookie. This Garrett Cole, Futures of the Franchise Mini. Robert Chrome, Robert rookie. Brennan Davis. Josh James at a 99. And then this and the Trout are probably the biggest hits we got. Robert rookie and the Trout second year. So that'll do it. Be on the lookout for other videos. Like I said, I have 2020 Bowman's Best coming. That's probably the next thing that'll be opening up on the channel. And then after that, we're going to go back to football. I have football hobby box coming, 2018 Contenders Optics. We'll be looking for Lamar Jackson rookie out of that. But like and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like button. Thanks, guys.